Hello and welcome to the AI with Arun show. This video is where music meets machine, a deep dive into how artificial intelligence is transforming Coachella, the world's most iconic music and arts festival. Over the next 10 minutes, we're going to explore a fascinating intersection, a 25-year-old festival held in the California desert and the most disruptive technology of our era. Coachella isn't just a concert. It draws over 250,000 people across 2 weekends, generates more than $700 million for the local economy, and is watched by millions globally through live streams. And increasingly, AI is woven into every layer of that experience, from how artists perform on stage, to how the festival manages 125,000 daily visitors, to how it measures its environmental impact. In 2024, around 250,000 tickets were sold across both festival weekends and the Stagecoach Festival that follows, with roughly 80,000 tickets per Coachella weekend. The festival brings in approximately $115 million in direct gross revenue from tickets and concessions, and its ripple effect on the broader Coachella Valley economy exceeds $700 million per year, supporting hotels, restaurants, and thousands of local jobs. On social media, the 2024 festival generated 1.2 billion TikTok views for Coachella-related hashtags, and the so-called Coachella effect on music careers is real. Chappell Roan saw a 1,200% spike in Spotify streams for Good Luck Babe after her 2024 set. This is the scale at which AI must operate to make a difference at Coachella. Let's start at the beginning, the moment in 2012 when Coachella showed the world that performance and technology could do something extraordinary. At the 2012 festival, a projection of the late Tupac Shakur appeared on stage alongside Snoop Dogg and Dr. Dre. The media called it a hologram, but it was actually a sophisticated version of a 19th century stage trick called Pepper's Ghost, using a mylar film angled at 45 degrees to reflect a 2D projection. Dr. Dre had asked Tupac's mother, Afeni Shakur, for permission, and she said she was thrilled. This moment planted a seed. If technology could bring back those no longer with us and create experiences that blur the line between real and digital, what else was possible? It sparked a global conversation that continues today about AI, digital replicas, consent, and the future of live performance. In 2024, Grimes made history at the Coachella Sahara stage with what many called the most technically ambitious AI-driven live performance to date. The production company Zeit Labs built an AI digital twin of Grimes, a glowing fairy character. Using a neural network called Move AI, Grimes performed her own choreography, and those movements were captured markerlessly and translated in real time into the fairy avatar displayed inside her DJ booth. The performance used Unreal Engine, the same 3D software used in Hollywood blockbusters and video games, to render the fairy with over 50,000 lighting parameters. The climax was extraordinary. To audiences watching the live stream, the fairy appeared to break free from the DJ booth and fly above the real crowd using augmented reality synchronized with timecode. This wasn't pre-rendered video, it was live AI performance, a true fusion of human artistry and machine intelligence. The concept of the hybrid festival is one of the most exciting ideas in live entertainment, and Coachella is leading the charge. In 2022, the festival partnered with Epic Games' Unreal Engine to add live augmented reality into the Flume live stream, making it the first music festival broadcast to use real-time AR. At-home viewers saw massive digital parrots and leafy trees rise above the stage. People at the festival itself saw nothing out of the ordinary. Only viewers at home could see the AR layer. This created two distinct but equally compelling experiences. Coachella's innovation lead Sam Schoonover summed up the philosophy perfectly. The goal isn't to recreate the physical experience virtually, it's to give digital audiences something they simply cannot get in person. Looking forward, AR glasses are the next frontier. When they become mainstream, in-person crowds will be able to see digital overlays floating above live performers, making every concert a hybrid of the physical and the digital. The most impactful AI at Coachella may be the kind you never notice. Sound engineering at a festival spanning 642 acres with multiple simultaneous stages is extraordinarily complex, and AI is now deeply embedded in solving that problem. Salsa Sound's AI audio mixers, built specifically for live broadcasts, analyze audio feeds in real time and make automatic adjustments, handling feedback, clipping, and acoustic anomalies faster than any human engineer. This frees the engineers to focus on creative decisions rather than firefighting. On the visual side, Grimes' 2024 performance used over 50,000 lighting parameters synchronized through Unreal Engine, all responding to live music inputs. And on the broadcast side, AI tools now help manage the Coachella YouTube livestream, which draws millions of concurrent viewers, ensuring consistent audio quality and even helping with camera direction. As London sound engineer Streaky put it, AI mixing is like an off-the-rack suit, fast and functional, but the human engineer is still the tailor. Managing 125,000 people per day across 642 acres in the middle of the California desert is one of the most complex logistical challenges in live events. And AI is increasingly the backbone of how Coachella handles it. AI-powered video surveillance and sensor networks monitor crowd density in real time, identifying dangerous concentrations before they become critical safety events. Predictive systems analyze everything from ticket scan rates to rideshare pickup patterns, to forecast where surge points will emerge, allowing staff to be repositioned preemptively. On the access side, AI tools help manage queue flow and communicate wait times to attendees. Though, as 2025's chaos demonstrated when Coachella changed security companies, when these AI systems break down, the human consequences are severe. Campers waited up to 12 hours in 100-degree heat. This is a powerful reminder that AI augments human operations. It doesn't replace the need for well-trained human teams on the ground. AI's most human-facing impact at Coachella is in personalization, transforming a mass-market festival into a seemingly individual experience for each of the 125,000 daily attendees. The Method AI Aura Photo experience at Coachella 2024 is a perfect example. Powered by AWS GPU instances, it generated a stylized, personalized AI portrait for each fan in under 60 seconds. Pinterest took a data-first approach in 2025, using its platform's trending data to design activations around what Coachella audiences were actually pinning and aspiring to. Conversational AI assistants help attendees navigate the grounds and get real-time updates. For the millions watching from home, AI-driven live stream tools personalize the viewing experience. And for the brands, Revolve, Absolute, American Express, and dozens of others, AI sentiment analysis lets them read the room in real time and adjust their messaging mid-festival. This is the personalization revolution, not just knowing your customer, but responding to them moment by moment. The environmental stakes at Coachella are enormous. According to a 2024 report by NGO Seaside Sustainability, the average music festival produces 500 tons of carbon dioxide over 3 days, equivalent to 5 kilograms per attendee per day. For Coachella, which draws 250,000 people across 2 weekends and covers 642 acres, these numbers multiply dramatically. And the physical waste is staggering. In 2024, 56,000 pounds of food were collected from just one section of the grounds. Over 79,000 pounds of items were recovered for donation or reuse. This is where AI is beginning to make a real difference. Smart grid technology with AI management helps optimize power distribution across the site in real time. AI analyzes waste generation patterns to optimize recycling and composting. Route optimization algorithms reduce fuel consumption from the hundreds of vehicles operating on the grounds. Coachella's parent company, AEG, has publicly committed to stewardship through 2050, and AI will be a central tool in achieving that. Coachella has become an unlikely battleground for one of the defining cultural debates of our era. What role should AI play in human artistry? In 2025, Brazilian DJ Alok delivered a powerful statement at the Sahara stage, performing backed by 50 human dancers in robot-like attire, all doing eerily precise choreography. When the promotional video was posted online, fans thought it was AI. It wasn't. That irony was Alok's entire point. He told Rolling Stone, "Art needs soul. Do robots have a soul to create proper art?" Meanwhile, Grimes, who nearly quit music to do AI before her 2024 Coachella set, took the opposite view, releasing a track literally called Music for Machines. These aren't fringe positions. They represent real tensions in the music industry about AI-generated music, digital replicas of artists, and whether AI creativity constitutes genuine art. The question isn't who wins this debate, it's how the industry navigates it responsibly. So what does Coachella 2030 look like? The trajectory is clear. AI-directed performances will respond to audience biometrics in real time, letting the show adapt moment by moment to the crowd's collective energy. Personalized AR glasses will let each of the 125,000 daily attendees see a different digital world layered over the same physical stage. Posthumous performances of legendary artists, ethically produced with family consent, will become technically indistinguishable from a live show. The Tupac hologram of 2012 was the prototype. And sustainability goals, Golden Voice's agreement runs through 2050, will be achieved only with AI managing every logistical decision in real time. Paul Tollett, Coachella's co-founder, captured it best. This isn't just innovation for its own sake. It's an embrace of what becomes possible when technology and human creativity genuinely collaborate. The festival that started in a California polo field in 1999 with Beck, Tool, and Rage Against the Machine may, by 2030, be the world's most sophisticated human-AI creative event. And that journey is already well underway. Thank you for watching this deep dive into how AI is reshaping Coachella. Please consider joining us as a member. If you found this video insightful, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to AI with Arun Show for more content on the future of music and technology.